Did you know that expense report fraud costs U.S. businesses about $2.8 billion annually? Defrauders do this by claiming mileage on personal errands, claims on individual purchases, and overclaiming tips that they've given. Still, only a tiny percentage get caught for their false claims. Comment below if I just inspired you to commit fraud. I'm Caleb Fortune with Trust Radius, and here are some of the best expense management software so you can keep track of your receipts. Emburse Chromeriver. Emburse Chromeriver is designed to automate and simplify the submission, approval, and reimbursement of an employee's travel and expense spending. Its intuitive interface is designed to work effortlessly and provide complete functionality on any device, anywhere, at any time. Users report that Chromeriver is user-friendly. Many say that they love its expense reports, describing them as detailed, accurate, and easy to complete quickly. The approval process is also praised as simple and efficient. Finally, users enjoy the receipt creation and uploading functions. The mobile and email forward methods are credited with speeding up the entire expense and reimbursement cycle. Looking at the limitations users have brought up, some have taken issue with the custom reporting options, which either need to be purchased as a separate module or a service purchased by their specialized team. Also, adding line items to your expense reports can be tedious, and some say it's easy to make mistakes that could delete your entire report. Unfortunately, Emburse Chromeriver does not list their pricing, so you will need to reach out for a quote. The most common users of Emburse Chromeriver are medium to large enterprises, including those with multiple locations. Some notable customers include Bosch, DSW, and Hard Rock Cafe. Webexpenses. The Webexpenses software suite provides additional solutions for automated invoice processing, corporate travel management, payments and reimbursements, and audits. The top positives that users bring up start with the navigation, which many say is easy and visually appealing. Others say that the tracking features are great and allow them to manage expenses from wherever they are, and they feel good about seeing where their claim is. It's no surprise that many say that the interface is fantastic. Finally, some have also pointed to the notifications as straightforward and take users straight to a claim that needs approval. Looking at some limitations some users have brought up, they say that the receipts function can be confusing when moving between claims. Additionally, some have said that the submission screen for claims can be difficult and confusing. Webexpenses pricing starts at $7 per month per user. The most common users of Webexpenses are users in the construction industry, IT services, and financial services. SAP Concur Travel and Expense. SAP Concur Travel and Expense is a software-as-a-service expense report management product and handles corporate travel, booking, expense report automation, reimbursement, audit, business intelligence, and corporate card integration. Users like that Concur Travel and Expense simplifies the process around expense management and makes managing large amounts easy. Many users mention that the bank info resulting from the direct integration with their corporate card provider is invaluable for managing transactions. Also, users agree that the mobile app makes it easy to upload receipts on the go. Finally, the consensus from users is that SAP Concur is easy to use. Looking at the limitations users bring up, error notifications may stall users from filing their expense claims and aren't always clear. Lastly, users would like to see the third-party integrations improved, saying that they don't compare to the first-party SAP connections. SAP Concur Travel and Expense pricing starts at $9 per report and is best for mid to large enterprises. Some notable customers include IDC and Alkermes. Sage Business Cloud Accounting. Sage Business Cloud Accounting is an online accounting software made to simplify the life for businesses of almost all sizes, depending on which offering you're looking at. Many users say the interface is easy to use and quickly translates well with non-technical users. Also, they say entering invoices is fast and easy, detailing that the look and ability to also request payments only took a few clicks to enter for that invoice, as well as find when it's time to pay. Connections to online financial accounts also allows for real-time updates of account balances, which many have praised. People also say that this software is superior in the basic reporting suite, especially the point-and-click general ledger and how it handles journal entries and edits. Looking at limitations some users have brought up, they say reporting can be frustrating and would like to see more customization options. Additionally, integrations with other systems are also limited compared to other programs. Sage Business Cloud Accounting pricing starts at $10 per month for their Sage Accounting Start plan, then $25 per month for the Sage Accounting Plan, which as of this video is on sale for $7.50 a month for the first 6 months. It should also be said that Sage Business Cloud Accounting features a variety of flavors for different business sizes and needs, each with components of expense management, some carrying many more features than others. So you will want to go over to their website and make sure you look through all offerings there. I'm convinced that the viewers of this video are only intending on rooting out fraud or better managing their own expenses. And for legal reasons, please do not blame me if you are not. Do you happen to use one of these or a different expense management software solution that you prefer? Let us know about it in the comments. Thanks for watching. As always, like and subscribe for more, and head over to trustradius.com for detailed reviews, comparisons, and software alternatives.